Welcome to Explain It. So, new rules meant to protect students just dropped in India, but they ended up igniting a national firestorm. Yeah, supporters felt they were long overdue, but critics, they called them divisive, a real clash of ideas. It got so intense that India's Supreme Court actually stepped in. So, why did they hit the brakes? On January 29th, that's exactly what happened. The court put a full stop to the new rules. The Chief Justice himself called them dangerous, saying they could literally divide society. Pretty strong words. Both judges on the bench were worried the rules could backfire and create more division on campus. And you can see why. The rules jumped from just being advice to being strict punitive law. This meant universities had to create new committees and systems to avoid some pretty severe penalties. But you gotta look at the numbers. Complaints of caste discrimination had already skyrocketed over 100%. And this push for stronger rules, well, it was born from real tragedy. This all started with a petition by the mothers of Rohit Vemula and Payal Tadvi. But critics worried the new regulations were just too one-sided and could easily be misused. So what's happening now? The courts hit pause and we're back to the old 2012 guidelines. For protesters, that's a huge relief. But for supporters, it's a major step backward. The proposed fix, an expert committee is going to try to redraft the whole thing from the ground up. Which leaves us with the million-dollar question. How do you protect students without dividing them? Finding that balance, well, that's the massive challenge now facing India's entire university system.